What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another one of those videos. So, I hope y'all enjoy. Deuces! What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm Easy E. I don't even know where to begin in this video, but we got a lot done off camera over all these weeks. I have not been making videos, but y'all never noticed that because I always upload one video a week every Saturday because we do work a full-time job and life happens. So let's go see what we gotta get done because y'all seen the thumbnail, so y'all know what we're working on. So here she is. Oh, what a doozy. It's a rainy day, a stormy day. But I did get the front clip painted, the front bumper, rear bumper painted. So we got the hood painted. Can't really tell. Kind of dusty. This fender got painted. The back ends. The back end got painted. Well, I ain't no body guy. I just make cars look 10 times, make them look better, make them look decent from what they was looking like. Yeah, I know this side was rusted. I ain't no body guy, so it is what it is. No more rust. Look 10 times better. The back bumper was all cracking, been hit multiple times. Sanding some of that down, filled in with some plastic, some of the holes. Got some little of those plastic weld clips in there. And we sprayed her. The whole thing. Even pulled this little dent out right there. Body filler. Sprayed it. Did what I best I could on the inside where all of it had rotted away. To fill that all back in with Bondo glass. But this car, like I said, this car had a lot of miles. All the work I did on this side. I kept working on this side because I didn't like these little ripples in it. But the side was hit, so like I said, it looked 10 times better than what it did look for a car with 220,000 plus miles on her. It's just one area I got to touch up there. But when I was wet sanding it to get rid of my hard paint line, and I wet sanding into all the way down to the primer. So now I got to touch that up with some spray, probably wet sand that back down again. Make it nice and smooth. I think this was a good job. Like I said, this whole back end got painted. The back door, both quarters. And on this side, that back door got painted. So I told him, because so I had to paint there and clear the door, clear there. And the roof didn't get painted. But we make it do what it do, baby, over here at Easy's Rebuilds. He finally brought me the headlight so I can start reassembling the front end. I already reassembled the back end off camera before I started this because my key guy was over here because we picked up another project car. And it didn't have the transponder key, but it did come with a key, a regular cut key that once the battery go dead and the capacitors get drained in these cars, that key will not work anymore. It started to come 3 times and shut it right back off for security and never again start back up again. So I called my key guy because I was about $3,000 on a all-tail key machine. So I can go to my local Ace and have a key made that has a transponder and come back and program it. No. I was called him, paid him the $187, and he did it. It's going to be a while to get to that one. With the Pioneer 200, I put it back. Or maybe I got to do the burn cover. I just had some work to do. shop. All this in my that way. And back. And I got plans coming up next year. For this year, whenever this video come out. Who knows? I get a lot done. And just pops to do. Showing people. But let's get back to this car and everything I done. All right, I was interrupted by my stepson. I had to go talk to him. That's why I was pausing that video, like, who the hell is walking up my driveway at this time? They expect me to be home on a Friday, and I do have a rule: if you don't live in my house and you don't pay no rent, you not need a key to my house. Only way you get a key to my house, if I got a key to yours. So he handed over the key to my house. Like, how else was he gonna get into my house if I wasn't supposed to be here? I'm supposed to be still at work. That's time for me to get off. 12:38. Usually on Fridays, I get off work at 1 o'clock. This video is being recorded on a Friday, obviously, because I'm off work. So like I said, if you want a key to my house, after you move out, I must have a key to your place. So I can just walk in whenever I feel like it. So he handed over his key. He got one more key he got to hand over to me. And we'll call that a wrap. But like I said, so on this front bumper, I had to do some plastic welding and some of that glue. That tab was busted over there. Got a lot of this plastic was cracked. Maybe I should have glued all this together. I really don't want to sit, so I still got a little bit more work to do. I can leave that how it is. Keep popping back up. But that's better than what it was. So I put some glued all that back together. I had to glue these tabs on here back on there so I can screw this back down onto the grill, because I can't say because y'all seen how I took it apart, because I made no videos on how I took it apart. But this whole thing was just held on with these two tins right there, and that's cracked from the force of it being held together with just the two tins. And this that side that was thick. Is what it looked like before the bumper in. The headlights got 1, 2. That one, 1, 2, 3, 4. guess that's going to be it for this video. I moved the car back up. This car is hard to start. If I haven't said this before, the car doesn't start with the key. You got to do remote start, then put the key in ignition, and turn it to the on position. Other than that, the key will not start this car. Well, the key doesn't start this car. The remote start starts this car. You got to put the key in ignition so the car stay running. But you got the headlight on. GoPro about to go dead. Front bumper is on. Fog lights, everything is plugged up. You got this side. When I first got this car, this bumper was off. It was hard getting that back mounted because it's been hit over here too. But I got it on there. Got it all underneath. Everything lined up and fastened right. Now I'm just going to stuck on my mouth. Now I'm going to scuff that area up on the other side. Get that painted, touched up. I have to go do some other stuff first. This spot right here. I can put some paint on there. So I'm going to set up that little area and call it a day. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy Ease Rebuilds. We got merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. Not this time, because I'm in a rush. So, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!